Mixed by Shona.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Atirah binti Abu Bakar. My matrix number is 1074. Today, my group will present to you about our product that we do for the final year project. Our product name is Glowing Flexible Safety Barrier. Okay, the first thing I want to tell you is about introduction of the guardrail. What is the guardrail? Guardrail is a longitudinal barrier used to protect motorists from roadside hazard. The purpose of the guardrail is to reduce the severity of collision by preventing a vehicle from veering off the roadway into an embankment of fixed object. Next is about background research. It has been found that serious injuries accidents are often caused by the guardrail that have less safety features for the road user. So, we do our product to protect road user and to improve safety features at the guardrail. Okay, next is problem statement. The first problem statement is the exacting guardrail produce less friction when vehicle cracked it. The second problem statement is the exacting guardrail is less effective on reducing the impact on the vehicle. And the last problem statement is the exacting guardrail is the seamless in dark place. That means from the problem statement, we do our product is to make people can easily see the guardrail into the dark place or at the night. This is example of article that we found that happened in the guardrail. Okay, objective of our product is the first objective of our product is add features to increase the friction between the vehicle and the guardrail. The second objective is modify the existing guardrail so it will effectively reduce the impact of all vehicles. And lastly, add glow in the dark guardrail features to the existing guardrail so we can see the guardrail in the dark place. Okay, last but not least from me, the conclusion of the guardrail that we do is guardrail should have high safety features. It might have to ensure that road user did not suffer serious critical injuries. Okay, so we do the glowing flexible safety barrier is to make people easy can see the guardrail at the roadside, at the night or in the dark place, and we avoid vehicle from accident or can get serious injuries.
Okay, a very good morning to my fellow friends and my lecturer, especially to Dr. Siva, who is the panel today. I am Sherwin and my matrix number is 06 aka 18F1087. So, as previously my friend Atira had given a great briefing on the background of our project, which is glowing flexible safety barrier. So today I am going to talk about literature review. So I'm just going to give a short intro about our project and under literature review. So in this chapter, several studies have been performed. So among those topics covered in this chapter, road accidents, the type of guardrails found in the international market, and the common type of guardrail in Malaysia is our scope of studies. This is a part of a synopsis taken from a thesis of Seeking Big Road Survey in the year of 2002. So they just said that they need to raise the standard rail height to 635 millimeters so that they could improve the barrier's performance with higher center of gravity vehicles such as lorries, buses, and other type of vehicles. This is taken from the Texas A&M University system, which is done by Seeking, Kureshi, Rose, and Brooks in the year of 1992. So they just basically stated the procedure to effectively install a safety barrier guardrail. Thank you. So this is two articles that states the same thing. So Koch and Scholler in the year 1987, and then Sala and Asteri in the year 1998. So they both stated this to better protect motorcyclists. So they just suggest that to cover the existing post with an additional W beam on the lower section of the guardrail system. And then next, IV in the year of 1992 come up with the conclusion that the development of crashworthy and terminal has been a popular research since the past 30 years. This is an article taken from China whereby Li and Liu had done a survey, and then they come up with the conclusion that a scheme of double layer high guardrail is proposed for preventing the high gravity vehicle from accident to roll over. Okay, next we are going to look at the analysis done by Nishi and Brodston in the year of 1994. They have stated that 40% of the guardrail accidents are resulting in fatalities and injuries. Its design includes cross-sectional shape with an effective depth of 311 mm compared to the older version of W-beam, which is 194 mm, and a rail thickness of 13 gauge and a posting space of 2500 mm. And then we are going to take a look at another article which is done by Nishi, Calcott and Brodsted in the year of 1971, whereby they stated that the vehicle dynamic parameters such as speed and angle were the most important factors in the guardrail interaction. As and last but not least, Bang and Gentry in the year of 2001 had founded by the United States Federal Highway Administration (FWS) for the use of highway accoutrements. And thank you very much. And then Afifa will continue the next part.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Afifa Zahra binti Azmi. My matrix number is 1062. Typical guardrails in Malaysia. If you can see, the guardrails in Malaysia is sharp and less friction, so it can make more dangerous and potentially fatal. Next is typical guardrails types in overseas. If you can see the guardrails in overseas, that they have a roller and they not sharp. So the roller have the cons too. If the car hit the roller, it can make the vehicle more speeding. So the vehicle will turn into the another direction. The car will lose control and hit another vehicle. The roller don't have the restriction. Chapter 3, Methodology. Introduction of methodology. Methodology is a system of methods and principles for doing something, for example, for teaching or for carrying out research. In the methodology have introduction, research design, data collection, materials, sampling techniques, method of analysis, and the conclusion. Flowchart, we start with literature review. We find the literature review with theory, article, observation, and books. The article we find from the internet, like journal, newspaper. The observation we see around us, that the guardrail that available now is suitable or not for road user. And next is books. We read more books regarding guardrail, highway accident, and accident cause guardrail. Research design, we have 3. First, SketchUp. Next, research design, and third is AutoCAD. SketchUp is for 3D and we make animation for our product. Research design, we find our suitable design, suitable material that we use for our product. AutoCAD is for 2D. Next is analysis and experiment. first is method of questionnaire, 3 is testing, and the last is using the Microsoft Excel. Method of questionnaire, we ask road user about the guardrail available now is suitable or not for road user, and they need improvement or not. The road users we ask is, for example, the bus driver, lorry driver, grab car. Testing is material testing and project testing. We testing our material is suitable or not for our product, and the project testing, our product is suitable or not for road user. And the last is using Microsoft Excel. We can see the accident cost guardrail from year to year. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to our panel. Today I want to explain to you about function 3 in our group project. First of all, our group project is want to modify the existing guardrail to reduce the injury from accident at the guardrail. And next, we want to make the existing guardrail glow in the dark to improve the lighting at night. And this innovation can be reduce the possibility of accident. And lastly, we want to increase the friction to reduce the rate of damage caused by the accident at the guardrail. Next, we go to the cost material. And first of all, cost material total is about 372 ringgit and 50 cent. And our material is we have 5 material we want to use. First, a guardrail. Second, neon paint. Third is ruler. 4 is for the customer rubber. And lastly, we want to use the tube aluminum in our project. And lastly, we want to we go to the conclusion. Our conclusion is very important to us for determine whether or not the study, our study is going well in this project. And also we want to explain the method of the data collection we have made. And lastly, we want to explain to you about how our analysis and what software that we use in our project. Okay, next I will show you our design in SketchUp format and AutoCAD format. First, we go to the AutoCAD format. Our design is that you see here. This our front view, and this up view, and this side view. And this length of the guardrail is 4 meter, and the height is about 1.5 meter. And next we go to the SketchUp for more detail about our project. This that you see our design of the guardrail that you see here. This is a car for our experiment that we use, and you see this function that we use is to make our touch on the guardrail, and when the car touch side of the guardrail and they touch the roll, and the roll we make the such as like a brake to stop the car for go more forward, and that can reduce the possibility of bad accident that causes the death. And that's all for me, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.
So that's all from me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.